Hello, everyone. Welcome to Fluently Now. I'm Maggie, and today we're diving into phrasal verbs at work. Get ready to boost your professional English? Let's start with carry out. When you carry out a task, it means you complete or execute a specific project or responsibility.
Team, we need to carry out the market research before the end of the quarter. It's a critical project for our new product launch.
I can help carry out the initial data collection. How extensive do you want the research to be?
We need comprehensive insights from at least 3 different market segments.
I'll support Phil by analyzing the competitive landscape.
Great, we'll make sure to carry out a thorough investigation.
Next up is follow-up. This phrasal verb means to continue a communication or task after an initial contact.
Did you follow up with the client about the proposal we submitted last week?
Not yet. I've been swamped with other projects.
You really should follow up soon. They might be waiting for our response.
You're right. I'll draft an email and follow up this afternoon.
Excellent communication is key to maintaining client relationships.
Now let's talk about look into. When you look into something, you investigate or examine a situation carefully.
I noticed some discrepancies in the budget report. I'll look into it and prepare a detailed analysis.
Do you think there might be an accounting error?
I'm not sure yet. I'll look into each line item meticulously.
Take your time. We need accuracy more than speed.
Bring up is a great phrasal verb for meetings. It means to mention or introduce a topic for discussion.
In our next team meeting, I want to bring up the new sustainability initiative. We need to discuss how we can reduce our carbon footprint.
That's an important topic. I'm glad you're planning to bring it up.
Workout has multiple meanings in a professional context. It can mean to develop a plan or solve a problem.
We need to work out the details of the new project strategy.
Absolutely. What specific challenges are we facing?
We should work out a more efficient workflow to meet our deadlines.
I agree. Let's brainstorm some potential solutions.
Give up might sound negative, but in the workplace, it's about knowing when to seek alternative solutions.
When facing a complex challenge, don't give up. Instead, ask for help, seek advice from colleagues, or try a different approach.
Sometimes a fresh perspective can make all the difference.
Finally, set up means to establish or prepare something for use.
We need to set up a new conference room for the international team.
That's a great suggestion. What specific requirements do we need?
We should set up video conferencing equipment and ensure good acoustics.
And don't forget about comfortable seating and proper lighting.
Now it's your turn. Practice these phrasal verbs, create your own sentences, and watch your professional English improve. Don't forget to check out our free worksheet in the description. See you next time.